Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to automate your personal finance. If you're like most people, you probably find managing your finances to be a time-consuming and sometimes stressful task. However, by automating your finances, you can save time and reduce stress, while still staying on top of your financial goals. Step 1. Set up automatic bill payments. The first step to automating your personal finance is to set up automatic bill payments. This means that you won't have to worry about remembering to pay your bills on time, and you'll avoid late fees and penalties. Most banks and credit card companies offer this service, so be sure to check with your provider. Step 2. Create a budget. The next step is to create a budget. This will help you to track your expenses and ensure that you're staying within your means. There are many free budgeting tools available online that can help you to create a budget, such as Mint or Personal Capital. Once you've set up your budget, you can automate your expenses by setting up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. Step 3. Use automatic savings tools. Another way to automate your personal finance is to use automatic savings tools. Many banks offer automatic savings plans, where you can set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. You can also use apps like Acorns or Stash to automate your savings by rounding up your purchases and investing the spare change. Step 4. Invest automatically. Finally, you can automate your investments. Many brokerage firms offer automatic investment plans, where you can set up regular contributions to your investment accounts. You can also use robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront to automate your investments by setting up a portfolio and letting the platform handle the rest. Conclusion. In conclusion, automating your personal finance can be a great way to save time and reduce stress while still achieving your financial goals. By setting up automatic bill payments, creating a budget, using automatic savings tools, and investing automatically, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice.